In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reminders in ClickUp, an essential skill for maximizing your productivity. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just looking to optimize your workflow, setting reminders can be a game changer in ensuring you never miss a deadline or important task again. So let's dive right in and explore this feature step by step. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to ClickUp's website. You can do this simply by typing in the address bar or using a search engine if that's what you prefer. Once you've reached ClickUp's main page, you will need to log in to access your workspace. If you're already a ClickUp user, just click on the Login button prominently displayed on the page. This is where you'll enter your account credentials to access all the tasks, notes, and projects you have stored. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard bursting with all your current projects and tasks. Now, let's focus on a specific task for which you'd like to set a reminder. Navigate to Task 3. You can find this by searching for the task in the search bar or scrolling through your task lists until you spot it. It's helpful to keep tasks well organized into categorically distinctive lists or folders, so they're easier to locate. With the desired task in view, cast your eyes to the top right corner of the task window. You'll notice 3 little dots nestled there. These dots are your gateway to a variety of additional options for managing your task. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. The options listed in this menu are designed to give you even more control over how you manage and interact with your tasks. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option that indicates setting a reminder time. This brings up a selection of times when you can schedule your reminder. Consider carefully when you'd like to be nudged regarding this task, as it can range from immediate to future dates. For our demonstration, let's choose a specific time for this reminder. Click on the date 14 to set it as the target reminder date. This click action pinpoints the day you want your reminder to activate, allowing you to tailor your task reminders to fit your unique schedule needs. Now, to make it more precise, let's define the specific time interval. In the Options menu, click on In 20 Minutes. This selection will ensure you receive a timely notification in 20 minutes, helping to keep you on track and maintain momentum on your task list. And there you have it. Setting a reminder in ClickUp is as seamless as that. This small feature can have a substantial impact on your productivity, ensuring you stay informed and reminded every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing with ClickUp.